to subscribe, comment down below,
and ring
that bell. And comment on Lattydesire.com on Instagram. Woo!
Thank you, Jenna. I appreciate it much.
Doing what's right. I'm living happy. Yes, I'm alright. Taking chances. I'm doing just fine. Walking on sunshine. I'm living life. Breaking barriers. Cutting them down. Strutting my way down. All through this town. I'm so
Why?
I can't with me close skin, man.
Big washer.
No breakfast up on Sunday?
No,
Out of my sphere.
it's right in
The dark man. See it there. We get little light.
John, get up off of the dirty place. Look on you.
The mommy does sit down.
Yes, wait up and you can't sit down. You guys on the dirty place.
So I have to wash this 2 times.
No, just a rinse.
What you probably said to me?
Wash up yourself.
No, they come beg the people walk on nothing else. Look how you wet up in the park.
Washing. Welcome to Nessa. Okay, no say she had do. And action.
Two more close. And get your place.
That's the way you go on your money.
Hikes.
Well, man, I need to pay so. I need to pay so. You see that tools sharp there so.
Come here.
Kalisha, come for your auntie then, please. Come for your auntie.
What you pay so?
Dad, come give me more work.
Can't give more work. And before you squeeze out with something then
So,
dry.
how much more must I squeeze it out?
Bless you. Yes, auntie, pin it out. Pin it out.
How would I sit down here? I don't mean.
How would I girl in there? Now wait.
Come here, friend.
Come here, friend.
Come here,
Lift.
sister.
Me only know Natalie.
If you know Stanley.
Come on, can I move there?
What do you mean, bummer?
Auntie Lottie washing her hair. Auntie Lottie, stay tonight so we can do Rising Star.
Where's the DJ?
Done in.
Come out time me try to close me down and they come out. All time outside and say, DJ go for close me.
So what that mean?
That means I'm lazy.
My mommy here get one box. Hey guys, welcome. So we're in the farm.
Yes.
Getting food.
Yes,
We're going to swing.
Look at this beauty.
Woo!
And this is my hot.
And this is
morning.
hot.
Mommy, say hi.
Hi.
Say yeah.
Yeah.
Say ray. So we're gonna get some farm stuff to go back to Kingston.
What the blows I mean?
She's in our sexy top. I'm wearing my granny clothes, by the way. So she's in our farmer shoes. Yes, this is in Granville, guys. Take the camera away from me. Like, take it away.
When this picture going at the video.
So this is my hot granny. Miss Violet Osborne, otherwise known as Shirley. Shirley.
Hi, mind how you walk, you know. Fiona, come behind me. Mind how you walk.
Follow grandma, follow the leader.
This is a big bad Devon. Devon say yes. Devon say yes. So if you guys want to order farming stuff, just hit me up and y'all get your stuff in Montego Bay.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, Devon, tired from morning.
I was tired since I go shot. You know bad crab bush at all last night.
Huh?
You go crab bush?
I couldn't go crab bush last night at all. I'm tired.
Devon in the sauce up tree.
Sauce up. You know plant sauce up. Go plant it.
So what that you plant now?
Cucumber.
Cucumber?
Cucumber was one way.
So cucumber tree pass up there so too?
Oh man, me just a plant them man.
Oh, you hear that guys?
That's a
Cucumber.
pumpkin.
Mommy, be careful.
Normally you see a pumpkin.
Oh,
See, I don't be sure.
the ground look pretty, man. What about dirt?
Yam, be sure.
You hear that, guys? 100 yam ready for sell. So y'all can order your yam. Just DM me.
Them little cars should not find the time. I don't know.
Yams. What you sell that one? Tell the people them what you sell.
Like a rice. Sell everything, you know.
That one is my cousin, guys.
Everything.
Tell them the one.
Everything when they know of me a plant.
Alright, so sweet pepper. Do you have tomatoes still?
Yeah, man, you see tomato. You don't see them all about. Why I tell them to be careful. You see tomato.
Tomato, yam, cocoa,
Then just about something. You know
cane, banana,
This is
plantain,
what those up here, sir, Devon.
pumpkin, cabbage,
What those up here, sir?
okra.
Put the pumpkin and
No, not the pumpkin.
cucumber kind of something.
So entire
I make
everything.
me stick all cup here, sir.
Oh, DJ finally put on clothes now.
No.
What?
You feel like okra.
This rough
You
one
know,
is
okra, the man
cute.
some talk. Okra like how if you fuck a tree then big.
This is my YouTube channel, mommy. So say hi.
Hello.
Tell them to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Hello.
Make sure you touch that bell and comment below and subscribe.
And
And if you like it,
Yes, Kiana. And y'all can put your list in the comment, what you guys want from the farm. Here, Devon need help, so who want to help on the farm, you can come by.
just get to Lattydesire.com.
Guys, not because you see this luscious farm is not in the country, is Granville, Montego Bay.
Yes.
5 minutes away from the town, 5 to 10 minutes away from the town, depends on the drive. Guys, look there, look at that nice banana.
See what them hook around here?
What a banana? Oh,
Nice coconut.
it's look there.
Show them the
There's some
view
banana
over
ackee
there.
and saltfish and dumpling right now, you know.
One time we go come over here.
Devon, you still have a fish now?
Over there.
You hear that, guys? So you can have roast fish down here too, you know. It's a play over there growing up under the big tree. Guys, not because this is this luscious.
And remember to subscribe, comment down below, and ring that bell. And comment on Lattydesire.com on Instagram. Woo!
Thank you, Jenna. I appreciate it much. Of Callaloo spray?
Pop shy spray, yeah man, I've all things spray.
Oh, so they spray them for like for bugs and stuff?
Yeah man, kill out the insect, they're not eat it.
Oh, wow. Interesting. So those are Callaloo growing.
They eat it.
Oh. Guys, pineapple. Pumpkin. Alright. Oh my god, pine could have been man. So how you get the pine them like that? You know. See it? Alright.
You know about become
Guys, this is what, yam?
Yam.
Yam, yeah, which yam this? Yellow yam? Renter or white yam?
Yeah. Hey, you want to food there. Jesus came from yam. Oh God. Them that okra over there, so get the picture there over there, sir.
Okra, guys! Okra! Lord God, my God, drop down. So, okra, this is an okra tree now? Strong upon the buck! This is an okra tree, but there's no okra in it. You have okra?
What okra now?
That's what calabash. Oh, planting, banana.
Take a picture of banana, then come here around it.
But must scratch me when you're done. What are you know?
Now, okra. Come on,
See, plant what
somebody
you
read it.
eat,
Somebody
bro.
come
What
here.
you eat, guys.
People in.
Yeah, Devon, what going on now?
Banana. Wait the man. Wait.
Look there. But it's nice, luscious banana right there, somebody. Wow. Good guys.
This is something. One banana.
Look here, man. So my family bless.
Banana.
Then come teeth one banana.
Mm.
You see?
Big banana then continue.
That's the biggest fault of having a farm. Teeth them. Oh guys, the okra growing. Hey, okra!
Banana, look at them big, look up at them.
Okra! Strong up your back.
Then they are cocoa, so them big. Then they.
So the cocoa. Oh, so.
You want okra?
Oh, this is what, cocoa?
You want okra?
Yeah, more okra. Because it's our cocoa leaf, right?
Cocoa them one.
And this is scratch you
You
down?
have to push them one there.
Then scratch! Oh, what?
Papa them you know.
I mean, touch it up.
Papa.
Watch out. This,
Papa.
wow, look at this beautiful flowers.
Hold this.
So man, get some okra, guys, to strong up my back. Someone scratch me.
Show them this one from sweet pepper. You see them?
Okra.
See them here.
Oh, I have the camera too far. Now look at see that on the bottom. Oh. So sweet pepper growing. Oh, them not ready yet. Look at this, guys. Okra is strong up my back. Okra. Okra. Yeah. Make some steamed fish. Let's go leg on the rope, DJ. Push on it, Jenna. Where are you? Jesus Christ! No, leg on my foot, DJ. Move now. Push. Oh, Tarzan.
Tarzan not afraid.
Alright, no man, the tree look like it's a movement. No son. Mind it, bro. Wait it. No man, it's dizzy. Stop it. Dizzy. Stop it!